Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. If you do enjoy, we're diving right in. I am unboxing my Icon Box for the month of May. The curator for the Icon Box for this quarter is Patrick Starr. If you're unfamiliar with the Icon Box, this is a $60 quarterly or seasonal beauty subscription box. And they're typically curated by a famous person, a celebrity, a famous makeup artist, so on and so forth. I feel like this is a fantastic value for the price, and you'll see why. Again, 8 full-size products. First up, we have the Benefit the Professional Tone and Tight Pore Refining AHA PHA Toning Foam. And of course it is a massive size. I'm very excited to test this out. If you've tried anything that I mentioned in today's video, please comment down below and let's have a conversation. Let's talk about our favorites. Let's talk about some fails. Y'all let us know down below. Next up is Kinship, a brand I love and swear by. These are the Insta Swipe Lemon Honey AHA pads. I am incredibly excited about these. I have used the First Aid Beauty ones for a very long time, and I am finishing up some that we got in Ipsy a while back. So I'm trying to finish these up, and then I will get into these. But I love skincare, as you guys know. I did kind of note in my PR Icon Box unboxing that I felt like it wasn't very makeup heavy. I'm kind of seeing that again. That does not bother me, but I know that a lot of people really want a makeup heavy subscription box. So far we are 2 skincare products. Next up is a repeat, so I'm not going to open this one. I will pull mine out and show it to you guys. It is the One Size Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio in Attention Seeker. I'll grab mine really quickly. Next up is another repeat from my PR box. This is the First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty Bounce Boosting Serum with collagen and peptides. Next up is the 5 Cents Life of the Party Eau de Parfum. It is a 1 fluid ounce. It is blackcurrant, peach blossom, saffron, midnight jasmine, and ambrox. And it just sounds lovely. It says a little escapism, never hurt anybody. Notes of blackcurrant and peach blossom flirt with an earthy base of saffron, midnight jasmine, and ambrox for a deliciously dizzying, undeniably magnetic aura. Slip into something silky and spritz this fruity floral to turn heads. Experience confidence in a bottle. And they are clean and vegan, female and BIPOC founded, cruelty-free, purpose-driven, and eco-conscious. Let me see if I can get this open. I do already have fragrance on, and I don't typically like to spray a whole lot of stuff because I do have asthma and allergies. The bottle is stunning. Oh, I love that. Very, very heavy, very weighted. All right, I'm gonna spray into the box and just kind of give you guys first impressions. Oh, I love it. Ooh. I'm definitely getting the blackcurrant. Let's see, peach blossom. I feel like I am. I'm getting a little bit of the floral, and then saffron and jasmine. Definitely getting the jasmine. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I'm excited, you guys. Again, not a whole lot of makeup in here, but I ain't mad at it, y'all. Look, the couple of makeup items that we do have, I like, so it's okay. Next up is another fragrance. This is the NewCo Relax Water Therapy Calm and De-Stress Eau de Parfum. This is also 1 ounce, and this says, health as an ecosystem. Our InterHealth supplements connect all aspects of our health, body, people, and planet. And then it says this is a functional fragrance to help you de-stress and unwind using patented olfactory technology with sandalwood, seaweed, clary sage, and fir with marine salt and amber accord. Use daily or is required to relax and recenter. I don't think I'm going to like this. I am not a sandalwood fan, so again, I'm going to spray it into here. Ooh, another beautiful bottle. Wow. That is really, really pretty. Okay, let me spray into the pack. All right, I'm gonna spray into the box. That is much more kind of aggressive, but more fine, if that makes sense, than the other one. Yeah, I don't like that, but I don't like sagey, sandalwoody, like pine scents and stuff like that, like in the holiday season. I don't like those at all. I don't like this at all. The other one I like. Next up is the Kosas, a brand I love so much. This is the Plump and Juicy Lip Booster Buttery Treatment, and it is in clear. I actually like that if they're going to put this in a box that it is clear. I do already have products on my lips, so I would just kind of show y'all what this looks like. I like the packaging. Oh yeah, I like the packaging a lot. And of course it's just, oh, it's actually kind of pinky in the container. It feels quite thick to me. I don't know if that's going to be something that I'm going to personally like. I don't like anything that feels, I like grip, but I don't like stickiness or tackiness at all. So I'm going to have to update you guys on this. I would take this off and test, you know, it for you right now, but I haven't taken pictures of this look yet. And if you like this look, it is yesterday's Throwback Thursday look. And then last but not least in my box is the One Size Fantasize Ultimate Lifting and Lengthening Mascara in Bodacious Black. And I have tried this in a mini size before, and I do really like it. The mini one is actually still in my travel bag. I'm not going to open it just yet. I already have a ton open, but it is one that I do enjoy. So as far as makeup goes, we have our mascara. We have the lip balm. I guess that's considered makeup. I call it treatment. And then we have our blush. And then I got 2 fragrances. And I mean, I'm sure just this fragrance, you guys, is probably the price of my entire box. Again, $60 for everything. And then we have a couple of full-size skincare items and then our pads. I did also pick up, and I'll go through them very quickly for y'all. I did also get a couple of add-ons. I got the set of Kitsch, the Satin Scrunchie for textured or straight hair. It is a set of 5. I wear these all the time and I stock up on them. They're great. I love them. I also picked up this little mini eau de parfum from Nicole Miller. It is Lueur de la Ville. I know I'm saying that wrong, but it has red berries, blackcurrant, guava, jasmine, tiger lily, frangipani, exotic fruits, gardenia, vanilla, and white musk. I think I'm gonna love this. And the add-ons, you can shop in there for up to 80% off. I think it is, I love to be able to shop that way. Next up is the Born Ruby Oh So Natural Blush Drops. This is the shade Organza Rose. And I've been using the shade Peach, and I love it so much. As you can see, I'm getting some good use out of it, so I could not help but get another one. It is intense, though. It is incredibly pigmented, and you do need to work very, very fast, or put a little bit on the back of your hand and work from a brush and then go in. But outstanding staying power. It's beautiful. So I'm excited to have another shade of that. Next up is actually the foundation I'm wearing today. I did take it out when I filmed and put it on for today. My all-time favorite foundation, period, ever, point blank, ever, is the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. This is in the shade medium. I have gone through a light medium, and a tan. This is their reformulated or their new packaging, and I've not tried it in this packaging until today, and it's the same thing. I absolutely love it. And if I can get this foundation for, I think it was $14 or $16 or something like that, if I can get it for that price, I'm going to. It's lovely. I feel like this is one of those foundations that if you have oily skin or you have dry skin, I have very dry textured skin, you're going to love it. It is very skin-like, very beautiful, medium coverage, but I feel like I can build it up a little bit. It stays in place on me, blends out incredibly well, and it just looks like skin. It just looks pretty, so I couldn't resist. I love it. And then I also got another of the Pear Nova eyeshadow palettes. I received one in my Ipsy, and I liked it so much that I ordered quite a few to keep in my little giveaway drawer. I like to be able to have plenty of products to do giveaways and stuff like that, but that is it for my icon box for the month of May. What did y'all think? Let's comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Was it good? Was it not good? Were you expecting a little bit more makeup? I'm thrilled. I'm still going to give it a 5 out of 5. I don't mind not getting a ton of makeup. I do wish that it would kind of go back to like old school boxy, where you got a palette in every box. That is my only thing. I wish we got a palette, whether it's a face palette, whether it's an eyeshadow palette. I'd love to see one in every single box. I feel like that's something that's kind of a big thing for, you know, beauty box collectors and stuff like that. But I am thrilled overall. Yeah, thank y'all so much for joining me. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.